Good day. My name's Norman Murray and I work for Learning for Success. And I'd like to give you a 10-minute presentation on a simple approach to cost-effective employee performance reviews to drive up your quality, productivity and customer satisfaction, as well as build on your leadership, communication and trust within your organisation. First, a little bit about me. It's a picture of me trying to look cool around the swimming pool when we're allowed to go into swimming pools. Been around for over 20 years and worked with some great clients here in the UK, including American Express, GlaxoSmithKline, Kerry Foods, Campbell Foods, Premier Foods, DHL, Lang O'Rourke, to name but a few. Performance management is critical to your organisation's success and has three main functions. One, to provide adequate feedback to each person on his or her performance. Two, to serve as a basis for modifying, adjusting or changing behaviour towards more effective work habits. And three, provide data to managers with which they may judge future job assignments and compensation. However, not all organisations have their performance management working to optimal success. And here are some signs in terms of demotivated workforce. Failure to recognise achievements, hire or promote the wrong people, don't follow through on commitments, don't treat people fairly, tolerate poor performance, don't encourage development or offer opportunities for growth, no or little immediate feedback to affirm or adjust behaviour. This allows toxic people to get away with dysfunctional behaviours, as well as not supporting your drive for continuous improvement in your organisation. Poor leadership, poor communication, lack of trust, and no clear direction. Don't empower team members or even micromanage. In summary, your performance management doesn't work. The world has changed, and maybe your performance management hasn't. So what are the signs of a best-in-class, cost-effective digital performance management? We define clear employees' objectives, followed by effective performance measurement process, supported by meaningful analysis, leading to constructive performance feedback and training. We have a rapid, intelligent interface, deployment via web interface. All you need is a web browser and access to the internet. Ergonomic design ensures simple and easy to use. I say it's a lot like Facebook. Fully scalable, as the database runs on Microsoft SQL Server. Powerful dynamic graphic reporting, which is easy to export, and integration of the data into your human resource information systems, financial spreadsheets, or other systems as required. Performance governance is key to aligning and driving employee objectives and expectations. So the organisation's mission and vision is linked to the human resource objectives, linked to department objectives and employee objectives. And because of our dynamic goal setting, we can do different objectives and expectations across different department or divisions within your organisation. You want accurate, relevant and timely measurement processes. Accurate, to reduce human error. Key performance metrics, add objectivity. You want it relevant to your company values and culture, which focuses on employee core responsibilities. Easily able to identify employee growth and strengths, as well as create relevant, actionable goals. And the frequency will be appropriate as defined by you. Lots of different review techniques. Measurement of items reflecting on core company values, creating consistency. Employee performance is measured on core job responsibilities. Creative metrics and KPIs to create objective indicators of success, and guidelines for employees on key performance principles and techniques to follow when completing appraisals, managing goals and giving feedback is integrated into our system. So it saves you both time and money on training. Performance overview of techniques. Simple tracking. Review deadlines are tracked and accessible to all the relevant people. Note keeping and send note functions facilitate the capture of and sharing of information on a timely basis. Goal setting, goal management, and goal dynamic follow-up help identify employees' areas for development. We use the SMART principle for setting goals. We have a mixture of the nature and type of goals. Learning goals, aimed at developing ability. Performance goals, aimed at demonstrating performance. Powerful reporting, made simple. We have bar charts and graphics, tables, effort and ability matrix, which I'll talk about in a minute, the ability to easily export the data, and you can look at the status of reviews in terms of due dates. Our solution facilitates the meaningful analysis of results. So you can look at the consistency and check within each review, performance review of the group, rated distribution, overrating bias, and powerful diagnostic reporting tools are all available to you. We talked about the employee performance, effort times ability equals performance. So we will provide tools that assist you to ask the right questions to help employees. For example, is more training needed? What type of training? Is the employee demotivated? We can look at the status of reviews. Which department or reviewers do we need to follow up with? The system sends automatic reminders to those who need to do reviews based on preset parameters, which can be changed by the system administrator. Administrators, HR, and all managers can also check who needs to do their reviews for follow-up. So there are lots of practical benefits. You can align individual employee goals with the organisation objectives, measure employee performance more objectively and fairly, build employee skills and commitment, create an efficient performance data collection, analysis and retrieval process, saving you both time and money, facilitate constructive and practical performance feedback, focus training and development where it's needed most, identifies your best performers, and ties employee performance more effectively to recognition and reward if and when required. In summary, we will help you drive up performance management in terms of quality, productivity, and customer satisfaction in your organisation, as well as build on leadership, communication, and trust. So if your organisation suffers from any of the signs of demotivation, which we talked about earlier, and you want to take advantage of all our benefits of a cost-effective, tailored digital performance management, then please do contact me. That's Norman@learnforest.com. Thank you.